The Syro-Malabar Church has voiced concerns over Chhattisgarh High Court's ruling upholding village bans on pastors and converted Christians in some of the villages. Now, the Kerala-based Syro-Malabar Church has expressed strong concern over a recent Chhattisgarh High Court ruling that upheld the installation of signboards in certain villages prohibiting the entry of pastors and also converted Christians. In a Facebook post, the influential Catholic Church described the development as quote-unquote the most divisive boundary the country has seen since partition, alleging that it marks a new form of religious discrimination in secular India. The post said that by putting up boards banning pastors and converted Christians in some of the villages of Chhattisgarh is institutionalized communalism. The church also stressed that the protest to keep India secular should be carried out only in alliance with the Constitution of India, the Magna Carta of Citizens' Rights. The post, however, cautioned against countering the issue by aligning with other forms of religious extremism, calling instead for a constitution-based approach to defend secularism and also equality. The statement came days after the Chhattisgarh High Court disposed of two petitions seeking the removal of hoardings that prohibit the entry of pastors and converted Christians in 8 villages of Chhattisgarh. In fact, the court had maintained that conversions due to inducements were a huge menace. So, the Syro-Malabar Church has voiced concerns over Chhattisgarh High Court's recent ruling upholding village bans on pastors and converted Christians in some of the villages. They have released a detailed note on their Facebook.